I'm on the floor. Because I want to be on the floor. And it's 4th of July. I have to film.
I've
So.
seen your refrigerator full without Barbie being in there, so don't tell me that
Gabby.
Barbie's to blame. I've seen. Oh,
I almost got ran over by a dog.
The refrigerator's broken, now you're gonna blame Barbie
Twice.
for all her stuff.
Fun.
Well, it doesn't matter. I've seen it.
So for our 4th of July, we are gonna
You were
go.
in the stroller in the one in Kentucky.
Wait, I've been to like a few caves?
The one in
Oh.
Kentucky she went to with me.
Well, apparently there's been more caves.
We went to that one too with the boys.
I've been to many caves apparently. We're going to caves today for our 4th of July weekend. And I just figured out I've been to many more caves than just a couple. That's pretty creepy. Weird, actually. So we're putting bug spray on, and I don't do bug spray because it's just no bugs bite me. And yet my mom put bug spray all over me. I hate it when she does that. It's just like no bugs ever bite me, and yet she's like, just in case, and pours it all over me. People. I hate that. So my dad's ahead of us, and you want to explain why my dad's ahead of us? Because we're taking selfies. The selfie queen's right there. And she calls me the selfie queen. She's more the selfie queen than I am. Oh, see? See? The last hiking trip we went on, she had to stop every 5 seconds with a selfie stick to take a selfie.
She's a liar. She's a liar.
Selfie queen. Such a selfie queen. I think she has more selfies on her phone than I do. Because mine is like 85% selfies, maybe 95%. Hers is just her and the kids. Thank you. Never take a selfie with that person.
Oh, cheaper.
Oh, no. 3 trips. We're going to the caves. We're going to the cave. It's gonna be pretty dark when we get in there, pretty cold. So excited. I haven't been to a cave in like a few years. So, I kind of lied to you. It wasn't a cave. It's a cavern. She wants to take over my vlog. You want to take over my vlog? No. My parents are not vlogging people. It was very fun. Very dark and very humid. My hair's a bit wavy. There's another reason why I need to take a shower. Tour guy was funny. He almost made me trip a few times. Like I'm gonna trip on this hiking trail again. Ooh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're hiking through the woods and getting our foot twisted. And it's gonna rain on us because it's very humid and very thundery. That very situation.
Is there any way you can bring your dogs on this trail?
I'm gonna hurt myself. We made it to the car. It's starting to sprinkle on us, and it was so weird because we can hear the thunder, and we're walking, and it was lightning, and then it thundered. and we freaked out. We're like, oh, get the car, get the car, get the car.
Where's my towel at?
I think it's back there. Dad, where's Mom's towel? It's raining. It's raining and it's hot up in this car. Poor dog. I can't get my boots off. Now we're just about to head home.
Got back in time.
Yeah, we did.
I know,
Oh.
I'm outside waiting for y'all.
Oh yeah, she had this big one. Freaked me out too. I was about. Yeah. So we're heading home. It was a great 4th of July so far. I think it's raining in Niceville, so I don't think we're gonna go see the fireworks anymore. Yeah, no fireworks for us tonight. Who knows? We'll see. But I don't want fireworks. So I came home last night, watched Independence Day, and then fell asleep. Oops. And I forgot to end the vlog, so if you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.